Hey, what's up there guys? Matt here with the Rhinestone World. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how in Cricut Design Space with their newest update, you can create offsets like this right here, our color changing color spark vinyl with the offset on it. One like this one right here with our color spark opals. Pretty awesome, and the matte black. Got another one here with the HTV Anything material. Caesar red and white glitter heat transfer vinyl, and then we went a little next level on this one, football mom. But you can create these in Design Space now, and I'm going to show you right here. Stick around. All right, so the first thing I need to do is I'm going to go to text. I'm going to type out Jessica. Now I'm using our TRW superscript font here. Now I'm going to make this probably about 5 to 5.5 inches. It's 5.8 right now. Now it's spaced out. You can use this letter spacing tool and just click it here, or you can adjust them individually. So what I normally like to do is maybe start with this, get it pretty close to what I want, and then one of my favorite things to do in Design Space that a lot of people don't know about, hold the control key, roll up on your mouse, and you can zoom in, zoom out. That's an awesome feature. Comment below if you didn't know about. Control, zoom in, zoom out, and wherever your mouse is pointing is where it will zoom into. So I'm going to ungroup them, and now I'm going to adjust these letters a little bit. I'm going to move the S to there, the I to there, the C to there, the A to right there, and then I'm going to bring my J in a little bit as well. Once I have that, I'm going to zoom out a little bit, highlight them all, and I'm going to bottom right corner, I'm going to weld these together. Now, this is where the big feature comes in and the new addition to the Design Space software. I'm going to click on Offset up here at the top. And you can see it's going to offset it a lot off the start. All right, but I can just click on it and drag this little dot right here and move it to wherever I want. So maybe I want a 0.18 inch offset. That's a little bit too much. I'm going to do a 0.12 inch. Let's see what that does. That looks pretty good, I think. So I'm going to hit apply, and I now have my offset. Now, if I were using the HTV Anything material, I would want to apply another offset. So let's just change the colors on this real quick so we can see what they look like. I'm going to go maybe a purple, and then for the offset, I'm going to do like a light gray. Okay, so that would be, say, my white glitter and my purple glitter. Now, that would be with adhesive vinyl, but if I were using heat transfer vinyls, I need to get another offset for my HTV Anything material. So, what the difference is, just so I can show you guys, this is the HTV Anything material with glitter heat transfer vinyl for shirts. When you do this with our special HTV Anything material, this is now dishwasher safe. It's pretty freaking awesome. It just won last year 2020 New Product of the Year in the industry. HTV Anything. It's a game changer. Now, this is what we have right now. This is our Color Spark adhesive vinyl, okay? And this is our color changing pink to purple. And then the back I have is our reflective adhesive vinyl. But you can see, if I cover that up, move my hand, see how it changes colors. Once the cold comes again, it'll change it back to that purple. Pretty awesome, isn't it? So I'm going to create one with HTV Anything, so I need another offset because you're going to cut the HTV Anything material. So to do that, I'm just going to click on that gray layer. I'm going to go to Offset, and I'm going to do maybe about a 0.06. 0.06 inches because I don't want it to be offset that much, just a little bit, because as you can see with this one here, you can barely see that material. The HTV Anything material is so clear, it's awesome. And again, I have tons of videos on using this. So you're just heat pressing your glitter heat transfer vinyl to the HTV Anything material, which turns it into a sticker. Then you stick it to your tumbler. All right? So we got that. I'm going to hit apply, and those are my 3 layers ready to go. So now you're just going to send it to your cutter, whether you're using the Cricut Maker or the Cricut Explorer Air 2. Comment below if you do have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Pretty awesome as far as the new offset feature to be able to do all of these things with our vinyl shield, with our HTV Anything material, or our Bling Anything material. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment with any questions, and we'll see you guys soon. Remember, every Monday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Time on the Rhinestone World YouTube channel, we give away a brand new Silhouette Cameo 4 $300 cutter. Let's go. We'll see you soon, crew.